We are listening. Aura can support you in any way you need, made just for you. And today's you increasingly expects sustainability to be built in, not added later. From our initial pestle analysis, we found that if Aura continues with its current model, rising e-waste regulations, product obsolescence, and weak ESG performance will damage retention, AI visibility, and competitive edge. Today's consumers expect sustainability by default, so the real risk isn't change, it's doing nothing.
Hi, so today this part of our presentation corresponds to the stage 1 Where Are We Now from Wilson and Gilligan, Strategic Planning Model. Aura promotes itself as a leader in wellness technology, but its product design tells a different story. Each ring's non-replaceable battery and virgin titanium casing mean that once the battery dies, the product goes to e-waste. That's why our strategy is to move Aura from a linear make, use, discard model to a circular system, one where materials are reused and reintegrated. Using the R ladder of the circular economy, from R0 refuse to R9 recover energy, we found that Aura sits at R1 rethink. It's aware of sustainability, but not yet taking action. Additionally, producing titanium and aluminum is very energy intensive, creating up to 16 tons of carbon dioxide per ton of aluminum, which increases Aura's footprint when using virgin materials instead of recycled ones. But to make this new position visible to e-consumer conscious audiences, the brand must appear in AI-driven recommendation systems. And this is where the share of model strategy becomes crucial for Aura's AI visibility.
The share of model strategy was explored by Dubois et al.'s article, and it's defined through the frequency and awareness at which a brand is surfaced by LLMs. This will ensure that Aura appears on generative AI systems when consumers ask platforms like ChatGPT what the most sustainable health tracker is right now. Implementing the SOM strategy will increase Aura's discoverability within generative AI systems, but the Generative AI Environmental Impact Study has highlighted the need to pursue such visibility responsibly. Just as Aura can reduce its physical waste through recycled materials and its modular design, it will reduce digital waste by applying low-carbon AI practices for LLM training and AI health insights on its Aura Advisor app. It can use smaller models, limit output size, and it can also run content optimization in low-carbon data regions such as France.
Currently, two main customers groups are health-conscious individuals who buy Aura just to track their health indicators, and tech-savvy consumers who are just interested in trying out the new technologies available on the market.
Our new target audience is the eco-conscious wellness consumer, what Douglas Holt described as crowd culture built around eco-wellness and digital detoxing. Our new positioning, Health Without Waste, reframes Aura from a smart gadget into what Holt calls a circular movement for circular wellness. It merges recycled titanium, a modular battery, and transparent life cycle reporting to deliver what Philip Kotler defines in marketing management as holistic value that benefits the company, its customers, and the planet. The European Commission's Guide on Lifestyle Thinking reinforces that reducing resource use and improving responsibility across the product lifecycle strengthens customer trust. And as White, Habib, and Hardesty show in the Elusive Green Consumer, making sustainable choices visible to others can increase eco purchases by 65% through social influence. So, Health Without Waste isn't just a slogan, it's a strategic and cultural repositioning that speaks directly to Gen Z and millennials.
On the slide, you can see the perceptual map with Aura and its main competitors. We will now examine the competition with the strategy canvas in more details. And now we look at the strategy canvas comparing Aura with Apple Watch and Whoop across the core factors of competition. Apple and Whoop perform strongly in the areas like ecosystem integration and data services, but they fall short when it comes to material responsibility, longevity, and reparability. Aura, by contrast, already leads in design comfort, sensor accuracy, and battery efficiency. And with our sustainability strategy, we expand the leadership, introducing circularity, modular design, and full transparency. What this canvas shows is a shift away from feature-driven competition toward environmental value creation. And this becomes our value proposition, the first circular wellness ring designed to last longer, impact less, and deliver deeper health insights over time. This is where Aura moves the industry forward. Here, we show how our blue ocean strategy changed the way Aura competes. First, we eliminate screen-based competition and feature overload, the smartwatch mentality that accelerates e-waste. We reduce our reliance on price and ecosystem lock-ins. We raise the strengths of Aura is already known for: comfort, accuracy, coaching, and energy efficiency. And the most importantly, we create what the category simply doesn't offer today: material responsibility, true longevity, modular reparability, a full trade-in circular model, and complete carbon transparency. Altogether, this shift transformed Aura from a traditional wearable into the first truly circular wellness device.
We want to dig deeper into explaining our suggestion for the redesigning of the Aura Ring. First, Aura becomes modular. Customers will now be able to replace the batteries in their old rings when needed by either attending the branches or shipping it directly for the replacement. This will increase the product's lifespan and make the ring more sustainable. Secondly, now Aura uses non-replaceable lithium batteries that often includes the usage of cobalt. We offer to switch to 100% recycled cobalt, taking Apple as an example, and decreasing the usage of finite resources. Moreover, in an attempt to bring the company closer to the R5 to R8 levels of the R ladder, we will introduce the trade-in initiative, which decreases the waste and allows us to use the circular production approach. And finally, now Aura rings are produced from the aerospace-grade titanium, one of the strongest materials on Earth. While still keeping the strength of the material, we suggest for Aura to switch to 100% recycled titanium, which will not only decrease the environmental impact of the company, but as according to the European Investment Bank, will also decrease the costs of production for the company.
Now we have defined how the new Aura Ring is redesigned. We are going to talk about how these changes will influence consumer behavior based on the classic consumer decision-making model. First, in the problem recognition stage, customers used to see a dying battery as a reason to buy a new one. But now the modular battery design changed that habit. As people start to see maintenance as a part of wellness, it creates a mindset shift from replace to repair, building more environmentally conscious consumption. It also gives people a sense of control as they can keep and extend the life of their ring. Second, in the evaluation and purchase stage, the use of recycled titanium and cobalt add emotional value, as eco-conscious customers are proud to choose a product that supports sustainability. It creates a feeling that my health choice also helps the planet. This builds a new identity of being both healthy and environmentally conscious. By using recycled material, Aura makes sustainable visible. Finally, in the post-purchase stage, the trading program encourages users to stay in Aura's circular system. By returning O-rings for renewal, give them a sense of belonging. It also builds loyalty and turns sustainable action into an ongoing habit. This makes them move from just buying to joining a circular and sustainable community.
Now let's talk about a new pricing strategy to drive sustainable consumer behavior. The retail price increases slightly to £520, reflecting eco materials and the modular battery. A 15 to 25% trading incentive encourages customers to retain O-rings and join the circular model. Deep Health Insights move a £7.99 annual subscription. The strongest behavior level is the modular battery fee, £250 for members versus £350 for non-members. This creates a clear economic benefit, reason to subscribe and stay engaged. Short-term, tradings reduce margins and value, but long-term, retention, subscription revenue, and loyalty significantly increase customer lifetime value. Aura shifts from one-time sales to resilient and circular model.
Let's spend the morning in my life together with me as an Aura brand ambassador while I'm telling you about the 100% recycled new Aura ring. I usually start my day very early, so Aura is the perfect device that helps me track my sleep and make sure I rest enough during the night. The same minimalistic design, it goes perfect with all my jewelry, but now 100% recycled, and I cannot be happier that Aura cares not only about people's health, but also about the environment. I usually have my breakfast outside when I'm on my way to uni, so now it's time for some self-care routine. We all know that the secret to having the perfect skin and hair is not just by using the high-quality cosmetics. You should also do sports, eat well, rest enough, and of course, just feel good. And Aura is something that supports me with tracking all of my activities throughout the day. I know when I had a really hard workout and I have to rest, or when I didn't sleep enough because I was studying. As you can tell, Aura is by my side throughout my morning routine and of course throughout my whole busy day. Don't forget to follow Aura's official account to be the first one who gets to know when the new sustainable ring is available to purchase.
Hi guys, it's Maria here with you. You've seen my morning routine and I actually spent the whole day wearing the new Aura ring, so here is my honest review. The new Aura is extremely light because it's made from the 100% recycled titanium and I adore this. I can wear it to my Pilates class, to my university, also when I'm in the shower, and it works just fine. I am health obsessed. All the trends, all the trendy topic, I love it, and Aura is just another amazing addition to my collection. But you know what? Now it also cares for the environment. Isn't it amazing?
Here you can find our concept stores that are branded in Aura's readiness to lead a new era of wellness, one where caring for yourself also cares for the planet. By shifting to circular design, embracing digital sustainability, and strengthening loyalty through trade-in and modularity, Aura becomes a brand built to last. Health without waste, that's the future we're creating.